Hey guys, we are doing the part 3 of the making Jeffy. So yeah, and I got a new camcorder here. I'll go in the rush. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I just put it like this so it can stand, and so yeah, just gonna go down. See, go up. So yeah, I'm gonna go back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so this camcorder was for Christmas, but yeah, but I'm already 40 seconds. But this is what the Jeffy looks like. Her. Okay, guys, so Kayla's just right there playing with the slimes. So yeah, Kayla, you sure you don't want to be in it?
I am, but not right.
Are you gonna make another slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yet. After we finish that.
Okay. So I just got this glue.
We don't really have the glue that we had last night.
Yeah, cause we used it all for the other slimes, but I didn't do it on a video. Well, I did do it on a video, but I deleted it for some reason, cause some of our slimes are a fail. Whoops, daisies.
Like this one, kind of a fail.
Yeah. So for this, you just whoa. So you just put the glue on the face like that. Then you don't have to use your hands, but I am. I'm just gonna rub it around like that.
It's gonna be the glitter / crunchy / kitty slime.
Okay. So then you just add the mouth, and then I'll just let it dry for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I think it's been like more than 10 minutes. I mean 5 minutes. It's been like 10 minutes. So yeah, let's try it out.
Nicole, this is so good.
It looks like bubblegum slime.
Yeah, it's so good. Okay.
Wait.
This one just made a little bit. This one's good too.
Okay, guys.
These slimes are good for poking. I see the best slimes.
Okay, wait, guys. Let me just make it a little bit higher. Okay, guys. So I got some scissors, and now I am going to. I don't think I need this part, but I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, wait, guys. Okay, guys. So I got the paper, and now I'm gonna make Jeffy's teeth. And yes, this is way too big for paper, so I'm just gonna cut out little pieces. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the teeth on. So now Jeffy has one tooth. You can cut it if you don't want it, like too big. So I'm going to cut mine a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit. And I'm going to make the other one. Well, I already did it in time lapse. But, yeah.
Okay, people, I'm back.
Yep. Kayla was gone for a long time just making slime in the restroom.
Duh. I love slime. And I live for slime. This is good now.
You mean you die for slime?
I live for slime.
Okay, guys, so I got it. You don't need to put as much as me.
Yep, he's crazy. I know. You guys, I'm right here in front of you guys, but you can't really see me.
Here, I'll put it on you, Kayla.
Hi. Here's all my slimes. The slimes I made.
Did you just lick your... Oh. Okay, guys. So, yeah. I'm just going to let this dry for...
This is brown slime line.
Wait, let me see. Wow. That's amazing.
I thought this was going to be black, but it's actually dark purple. Dark purple.
Wow. Okay.
I like this brown slime.
Okay, guys, so I'm just going to straighten it. Okay. I'm going to cut this
Which
one.
slime did I just make? I just make this. All of this needs just sit. That one just needs sit here. Okay. I'm surprised these aren't dried up yet because we left them out on the table for a long time. The last time when we made slime, it wasn't really that good, huh?
The first one?
Yeah, the first time.
Okay, guys, so after that, you might want to, like, bend it a little bit. Like, so you see this? You might want to bend it. Like that, and then take it out like that. Like that. See? And this is what the Jeffy looks like. Hey, what doing?
It doesn't have to be perfect. If
Yeah.
It's your first time.
Hey, what doing? I'm gonna put my range down it. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below if this worked for you. And I'll see you later, I think. Mari, you got something to say? Yes, Jeffy, I do, actually. So, guys, it doesn't need to be perfect. And, Jeffy, Jeffy, Jeffy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye. How do you pause this, Omari? You just go like that? No, it's from over here. Oh, alright.